Hi, this is the TCL 408 and I'll show you how to turn the customize always on display option on this device. So let's first unlock our phone and open Muviz Edge app. Here, let's select one from this available themes, tap to apply. We could change the backgrounds of these themes just by swipe to the up or to the down. Tap to apply to select the theme. We could hide music controls after 10 seconds, just to never. To turn on or turn off to show the notifications and calendar date. To show the battery status always while charging and never. Let's go back, tap to X icon, switch AOD to the settings, tap to always on display. Here we could show it on lock screen always while charging. On music we could switch these options by just select one from them. You could use them separately or together. We could decrease and increase the brightness level. To change time, AOD timeout, low power after, screen orientation. To close it by double or single tap on lock screen. If you use the fingerprint unlock method, you should just use this switcher. To close it on fingerprint, to close it on screen off, to set the shuttle, the start and the end time, to use it in the pocket mode, and to disable it during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize AOD option on our TCL phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.